In today's video, I'm gonna unbox a box from PMI TAPE.com, and if you want to see what's in the box, stick around. I'll be right back. Welcome back to the Flex McKenzie channel. Yeah, it's your boy Flex McKenzie, and in today's video, like I said, I'm gonna unbox a box from PMI TAPE.com. You know, unbox a box. You guys get? No? Nah, you guys are no fun. Let's just get on with it. So I went to PMI TAPE.com and I ordered a sample of their full Adhesive Tape for screen printing. I'll show you more what I'm talking about later on in the video, if it will do the job, because you know, sometimes I have to tape here and I have to tape it again. I have to tape it to make sure, you know, but this will cover it. And trust me, the way I saw it online and I saw people use it, it seems like it's gonna worth my time. Dig it? Yeah. I also use their dual tack palette tape, and that's amazing. I'm telling you guys, that dual tack palette tape from PMI is amazing. I'm not making up stories, because that's what I use. Instead of using that spray tack that you know, and there's all this odor in the air that gets in your lungs and damage your lungs. So like 10-15 years, you know, you sound like Darth Vader. I'm telling you, that thing is toxic. Okay, those spray that you gotta spray to keep the t-shirt down and sweater, they're toxic. Use the dual tack palette tape. No toxic, I'm telling you, none. And guess what, the best part about it is when it get dirty from, you know, all this gunk off the shirt, get on it, all you have to do is either spray some water on it and clean that bad boy off, or use like a sponge. I don't know what it's called. You could use a sponge, wet the sponge and just scrape it off, and guess what, you know, a few minutes, it's like brand new. Trust me. I want you guys to go to their website, head over there, go to the sample part, request a sample of their stuff, and they'll send it to you, you know. And I tell you, you'll never go back to that spraying garbage again. Trust me on that. I also use their split tape. The split tape is good, and one of the things that I like about their split tape is that the sticky side go down on your screen, and then like the non-sticky side, it's not really sticky, it go up against the screen. So when it's time for you to clean your screen, all you have to do is just one smooth, beautiful peel off. Trust me, that's beautiful. I use that. So I use a lot of their products except this one. So I'm so happy that I, you know, ordered this sample. But the box feel a little heavy. I wonder what else is in the box. Feel a little heavy, you know, or maybe I'm weak. And also, I did made a video of the dual tack palette tape. You could check it here. I did a video on it, me using it and stuff like that. Trust me, just check the link right here or here. It's gonna be up here. Maybe I'll put it downstairs, you know what I mean, as in down in the description. Come on guys, lighten up. You lighten up? Okay, good. Anyway, now I am affiliated with Heat Transfer Warehouse. So if you need to get vinyl, I recommend you go to Heat Transfer Warehouse and get your vinyl. If you need your cedar easy weed, hit them up, because I'm gonna try a lot of their vinyl. I'm gonna try their puff vinyl. I'm so interested in that puff vinyl, so I am gonna go try it. So, and I'm also, listen, I'm sending you to them because I know that they good, okay? But I'm gonna also do a review on their customer service, right? You know, I'm gonna hit them up, you know, and I'm also gonna do to see how fast they ship an item. And when I say how fast, it's like how fast it would leave from their warehouse with the carrier. Now when it's in when the carrier have it, when it's in transit, I know it's out of their hands, so whatever happened there is not going to be their fault, okay? But I want to see how fast it would leave their warehouse, because the way I am, when I need vinyl, I need it like 2 days ago. You understand? So if I'm going to order vinyl from a company, I need it 2 days ago. Okay, I don't need it to come like in a week or 2 weeks. I need it 2 days ago. We understand? We got that, right? So down below is the link to heat transfer warehouse. I want you guys to go hit them up and see, see what you want. The only thing you probably won't find on their website is the Gimme5, but your boy gonna get you for that. I got you for that. I'm gonna get you a link for that. So when you order from them, your boy get a little commission on it. I also got a lot of links from Amazon down below, so you guys hit them up, and your boy get a small commission, so I could keep this video going to make the wife happy. So So anyway, go hit up my website www.comfortstyle.com, and now stop talking, Flex, and let's roll into the video. All right, so this is the box. I removed the name tag off of it, but this is kind of heavy. I wonder what's in it. All right, so let's go ahead. Look what they send me. They send me more of the dual palette tack tape. The dual tack palette tape. Dual tack palette tape. Oh wow. Look at that. Oh my god. Check this out. Not only that they sent me the tape, right? Here go your little instruction on how to do it. But not only that they send me the tape, they also, you guys want to see what else they send me? Come on, you guys want to see? Stop playing games. Look, they send me the sponge to clean it. When it get messy, all you have to do is just spray some, like from you put in your t-shirt on your sweater, whatever garment you put on it, then it get all that gunk on it. You just spray water on the palette tape, and then or you just wet the sponge, and then you just clean it off, and guess what? In a few seconds, you got like a brand new tape on it. Wow. Nice. See what I'm saying? See why I told you guys to go get your sample? Look how thick this is. You guys could see it. Look at the thickness. So it wasn't like they weren't being cheap with the sample. Some place you order, the samples are like yay little on the roll, but look how thick that is. Good job, PMI. So this is the dual tack palette tape. You guys can see it? See it? Read it. Good. Now let's get to what I really wanted to see. So let's put that bad boy back. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, what's in there? What's in there? Bam! Bam! Oh, ha! Ha. PMI Tape.com. You guys are awesome, man. You guys are truly awesome. Look at the stash they sent me. They sent me all their screen printing tape that's on their site. Look at this, and this is the thick mother that I wanted. So this is their full screen tape. Look at it. Look at the thickness of it. Look at that. They also sent me their, oh man, you guys are so awesome. Look at that. And this is So this is the two color tape. You know, this part go down on the screen, this side go up against the screen, and when it's time for you to peel it off, it's so easy because this side is not really sticky, you know, but this is like the tacky side. And when you put it down on your screen, it's time on your screen, and it's time to take it off. It's so simple, guys. I'm telling you, you have to head over to PMITape.com and order your sample. These are all samples. I didn't even have to pay for shipping. I didn't have to pay for shipping. These are all samples, guys. I'm loving it. PMITape.com. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. But let me tape up part of her screen and just show you guys. I'm not gonna waste too much of this tape because I want to use it myself, you know. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick. So I'll be right back. Ooh, sorry, I gotta interrupt your little video that you're watching. But listen, if you find this video any value, bring any value to you, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, and don't forget, see, your boy got you. Now go back to the video. Okay, so I have an old screen that need to be reclaimed. I'm not gonna tape off the whole thing because I don't want to waste this tape. I need to use it on my other screen. So, ooh, yeah, I saw that. It was like, ooh. So look at that. Look at that. You know what? Before I put it, let me find. Look at this. Okay, so as you can see, all this need from right here to all this need taping. Now, if I was using the regular tape, I would have to be doing one here and another one here, and hopefully it will get up here. If I was using the other skinny kind of tape, right? I don't really want to use this tape on this. But look. You guys are paying attention? Just pay attention. Look, this is where I need to cover all that. Look at that. It covers it completely, and there's many room where I could put it up here. Look, I could put it against the side, and I'll still have all this area plus have it taped up. Now I'm trying not to use this tape because I do need it. I need to tape up my other screen. You know what? Let's just go for it. See, you guys forced me to do this. I was trying to save it. I'm just gonna cut it right there. I don't want to waste the tape. Here's a little trick. Bam! Then look at all that. Look, it covered from here all the way into the corner. You see how many room? Now, I would have, if I have the regular skinny tape that you usually buy for screen printing, whatever, it would take two. I'd have to tape it here, then tape it again. But this bad boy, look how many room it covered, and I still could have gone up more in the corner. You know, you guys could see it. I still could have go up more further. So guys, trust me, it worth it. Now let's just take it off. I just want to. Ooh, ooh, look at that. Ooh, you hit. Ooh, it came off so smooth. Oh my God, this is really good. See, you guys let me waste this. Listen, this is worth whatever it costs. So I'm telling you guys, wow, what I told you guys about this tape, huh? This tape is amazing. I love the way it cover my screen. I love the way it works. I'm telling you, the PMI tape is, to me, my opinion, is one of the best screen printing tape out there. The best. I haven't came across one that works as well as this, cover that much. Okay, maybe there's others like Scotch tape and all that. You guys need to stop using that Scotch tape and that whatever other tape you guys use, duct tape and all. You guys need to stop using all that garbage on your screen and use actually a real screen printing tape. I see people using Scotch tape, telling other people, oh, use it, you just got to make sure you take it off in time. Don't do all that, man. Use the thing that made for your screen. If you could go out there and spend like $3-4 on duct tape or what other tape you use, Scotch tape, you could go out there and put another $2 or $3 and get yourself some real screen printing tape. Don't be cheap when it comes to your business. Take care of your business the right way and your business will take care of you. Okay, so stop being cheap. But anyway, this did the job that I wanted it to. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna leave it right here. You guys don't forget, hit up heattransferwarehouse.com. The link is down below. You know, hook your boy up. Your boy gets some commission. Amazon.com link is down below. Your boy gets some commission. Like I said, keep me rolling, keep the wife happy, keep everyone happy. Feel me? And hit up my website, www.comfortstyle.com. This is your boy Flex, and I'm out.